here's the door. Here's my waist. So this is a real snowstorm now. Like 4 feet tall, is actually just about covered. So we know we're getting at least 3 feet, and it's still coming down. We expect some more snow this afternoon. It'll be interesting to watch me use the snowblower in this. The snowblower is not designed for this deep of snow. It's funny when you stand out here, you just absolutely know that winter's coming. I mean, it's over. Summer's over. And it's going to get colder. You can see it in the corn back here. You can tell that here comes winter. And it's right around the corner.